like a day, and nothing looks like a day. There are no drinks like a day, nothing thinks like a day, nothing acts like a day, or attracts like a day. There ain't a thing that's wrong with it, and there that can't be good by putting it there. I can't leave up and leave me up in the night. There is nothing like a day, nothing is there is nothing like a day, there is anything like a day. Nothing else is the same.
Greatest show. This is the moment you bury the bones that make that you come out. Behind, don't fight it, it's coming from the bottom. It's only this moment, don't care what can happen. Just surrender cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's started open. It's a picture in the comfort and your find the potion. There's something wicked at the prick of every wall. It's holding on to you. So tell me, do you want to go? We're covered in all the colored lights. Where the runaways are red of the night. Impossible come true. It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watch it come true. It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now. Watch it come true. It's taking over you. This is the greatest show. Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show.
Hello, I'm Hedda Hopper, and this is Hedda Hopper's Hollywood. He came from afar, and then he was cast. Cause Hollywood's a fantasy where you can lose the past. He became such a star in the city of sin. Just a hat and cane, and it's guaranteed you're in.
Show me a smile, show me some grace, show me the light in that beautiful face.
It happens every day in Hollywood. Charlie, 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 Charlie.
All right, cut.
Here you can do whatever you please, whatever you want, you can take it with ease. pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Come on, you pheasant pluckers, you! I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Well, my daddy was a poor man, he worked hard to earn his pay. I went out a shooting pheasants, which he sat and plucked all day. I don't want to end up like him plucking pheasants till I'm dead. I'll find another way to earn me bread. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Birds are flying over it most of the day. Gotta find a target just to make me wait. Hey, hey. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Trying to be an entertainer, be a joker or a clown, but the folks who came to see me, they just had to put me down. Trying to be an undertaker, but I don't like wearing black. There must be another way to earn me well. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Birds are flying over it most of the day. Gotta find a target just to make me wait. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Come on, you pheasant plucker, you! I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker, son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes.
soul. There's an emptiness you can't hide. I can smell it through your clothes. And the only thing that can fill you up is in behind these doors. That's what it is. You really wanna know? That's what it is. Come on, close. What you're about to witness, you've never ever seen before.